Shall we move towards the question number 16? See, I am reading the question. Find the sum of all integral numbers lesser than 200 and not divided by 3. Find the sum of all integral numbers lesser than 200. That means those numbers were lies in between 1 to 200, and another condition is not divisible by 3. See, I will give one simple example. Let find the numbers between 1 to 10 which are not divisible by 2. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the numbers which are divisible by 2 in between 1 to 10. So can we count the number 10? Because the question is lesser than 10. So lesser than 10 means, can we include this number? No, because here the question is lesser than 10. So it will be removed. See, these are the what? Divisible numbers. But we have to find the non-divisible numbers of 2. So there is a simple formula. See, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because lesser than 10. So total numbers how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to find out the sum of non-divisible of 2. See, these are total numbers. Okay. These are what? Divisible numbers. What? Divisible numbers. So it is easily to find non-divisible by number by divide minus to this total number to divisible numbers. माने जेतिकी जो टोटल नंबर अच्छे से जदि डिविजिबल नंबर आम माइनस करवा सब्ट्रैक्ट करिया, वी कैन फाइंड द डिविजिबल नंबर्स. सी, हाँ सॉरी, नॉन डिविजिबल नंबर्स. 2 कैंसिल, 2, 4, 6, 8. So remaining 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are what? These are non-divisible by numbers by 2. बुझीपारा ना केमिति आसला? 1 to 9 टोटल नंबर नेला परे जेतिकी डिविजिबल नंबर अच्छे 2 रो सेतिक माइनस करिले ए नॉन डिविजिबल नंबर टा पाइबा. बिकॉज एटा सामना एग्जांपल माने 1 to 10 जाएगा माने गले. बट एक क्वेश्चन रे देछि lesser than 200. 200 means more than 10. So this is the simple example. माने whatever may be the total numbers given, that sum of the given numbers and minus, that means subtract two divisible numbers, then we get the non-divisible numbers. See, these are the total numbers of 1 to 9. These are divisible numbers. Then if we subtract, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the question is like find the sum of the non-divisible numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Okay, write this concept. All of you write the question, the concept. See, now come to the question. Find the sum of all integral numbers lesser than 200. In the concept, what we have discussed, lesser than 10, because the small example. Now we will find the sum of all non-divisible numbers by 3 lesser than 200. That means 200 lesser than, this is not include because lesser than 200. Now we have to find those sums which are not divisible by 3. that means not divisible by 3. So what we have to do? First we will find the total numbers lesser than 200, that means 1 to 199, and find the sum. This is one part. Another part is to subtract the divisible numbers of 3 in between less than 200. So there are two series will come, then we will subtract the total number series minus the divisible number series, then we will get the non-divisible numbers. See, I am writing. The sum of all integral numbers. See, the sum of all integral numbers lesser than 200 will be 1 plus 2 plus up to 199. 199 why? Because lesser than 200. We cannot include the 200 number. That's why we will take up to 199. Then see, this is a series of n natural numbers. What is the sum of the n natural numbers? That means n into n plus 1 by 2. See, this is up to 1. Wait a minute. See, sum of the n natural numbers is the formula of n into n plus 1 by 2. That means n into n plus 1 by 2. Here, what is the n? This is. Then formula 199n into n plus 1 by 2. So 199 into 199 plus 1 how much? 200 by 2. 200 how much? 19900. Okay. Now we got the value. Total how many numbers between 1 to lesser than 200, and find the sum. Now another step, we will find the sum of the 3 divisible numbers in between 1 to lesser than 200. The AP series of numbers which are divisible by 3 lesser than 200 each. What will be the series? 3, 6, 9 up to lesser than 200 means 198, 9, 1, 10, 8, 18. Sum of 3 numbers if divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. So last number will be what? 198. Now find this series sum. See, here A is equal to 3, D is equal to obviously 3, and Tn, that means last term. Okay. Now find n. Formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn 198, a 3 plus 1 we don't know, d 3. See, जदि आमे नंबर केते अच्छे जानिबा देन से नंबर आमे सम फाइंड कर परिया. If we don't know how many numbers in between 3 to 198, so how can we find the sum? That's why we will find the n value. See, 198 3 plus 3n minus 3, this will be cancelled. So 198 is equal to 3n, n is equal to 198 by 3. 3 6 are 18, 1 3 6 are 18. So n is equal to 66. 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 81 and 66. Now find Sn. Now Sn is equal to what? N by 2 a plus n, because first term given, last term given. You can also put the formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, see, n 66 by 2 a 3 plus l 198. See, 66 by 2, this how much? 201. Now multiply this. What will get? 201 into 3, 603, 603, 3366, 6633. Now what we have to do? Sum of the non-divisible numbers. That means we have to minus this from this. Therefore, sum of the non-divisible numbers of 3 lesser than 200 is what? 190 minus 6633 minus it 79368 minus 6 2 and remaining what? 1862. 10 3 7 केते रहला 9 9 3 बोले 6 8 केते रहला 8 8 6 बोले 2 और 8 6 बोले 2 this much. So this will be the answer. That means sum of the numbers which are not divisible by 3 lesser than is 1 2 3 6 7. Note it down. Wait. This will be the 3, because this will be this 8 9 minus 6 is 3. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, write it.